This video is to give you a cheat sheet to help you pack better for a week on the road. Watch till the end and download the checklist from our website ViaTerragear.com. It's November and the motorcycling riding season is just about here. Be it Rider Mania or as it's called now Motoverse, IBW, TVS Motorsoul or the annual Harley Owner Group Rally are all just around the corner. This video is a visual packing checklist carefully curated to come in handy to all of you who will be riding from different parts of the country to celebrate motorcycling. Packing is pretty subjective, so we've tried to cover all the important stuff in terms of like a basic kit that one should carry for a ride like this. Now, if you're riding in a bigger group, the items can be also split between the riders. A downloadable version of this checklist is also available and can be accessed by clicking on the link in the description below. Now, let's get started.